This 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Wylie Decor, Toffee Glazed Maple Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, external shower, leveling jacks, awning, air conditioning, self-contained, skylight, slideout, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.